My name is Pia Mäkelä and I'm a scientist in the European Food Safety Authority. I'm going to tell you what are the foodborne zoonotic pathogens and why they are important to public health and to humans. And first of all, this term zoonotic. It comes from the Latin term zoonosis, which means diseases and infections which are transmissible between animals and humans. And quite often these infections are transmitted through contaminated foodstuffs. The most important foodborne pathogens in Europe are bacteria such as Salmonella, Campylobacter and certain types of Escherichia coli. And these bacteria typically cause diarrhea in humans, but also sometimes more severe symptoms. And then we still have some foodborne parasites in the EU, such as Trichinella, and then of course there are also some other pathogens. Animals, such as pigs, cattle and poultry, they quite often carry these foodborne pathogens in their gut content or skin or even in their muscles. But in most cases these pathogens do not cause any disease in animals. But when food from this type of infected animals is being produced, the food can become contaminated with these pathogens. And then when humans eat this type of contaminated food, they can get infected and get the disease. These foodborne zoonotic pathogens are important in Europe, and that is because these pathogens cause over 300,000 reported human cases in the European Union each year. And most likely there's even more cases because of the common underreporting. So we have actually over 200,000 reported Campylobacteriosis cases in humans each year in the European Union and around 100,000 reported Salmonellosis cases in humans. And for the other pathogens is of course less. Thus, it is important to prevent these diseases from occurring. And in fact, the European Union has issued already legislation which aims to reduce these pathogens in the animals and also further up in the food chain. And these measures has already resulted in the reduction of the human salmonellosis cases in the European Union, and these cases has actually dropped almost by half in the last 6 years. But you can also take some actions by yourself to avoid these diseases. And for that purpose it is important always to cook raw meat and raw eggs thoroughly and also have a good kitchen hygiene at home.